Cheers. Cheers.
We are walking towards our first stop on our Kentucky Bourbon Trail 2022 tour. And where are we at?
Maker's Mark.
We're gonna make our mark at Maker's Mark. At least I am. There's only one tour ticket available for this one, so Shelly graciously bowed out, so let me do it. And for active duty military, it was free. So we're doing free touring at Maker's Mark. So let's go make our mark. Tour started, you can smell the mash. We're going inside. Let's go make some whiskey.
I'll double back and explain what happens after the grains are cooked. It dates back to the 1800s. These are original to the distillery. We do have newer stainless steel fermenters down that hall in another building, but they don't look as cool as the original equipment. Then we temporarily store the whiskey from those barrels in these metal tanks. After the barrels are empty, we'll take off the first two hoops of the barrel, pop off the barrel head, and then we'll insert 10 of these into the barrel. This is a Maker's 46 finishing stave made out of virgin French oak, seasoned outside for about 18 months. They're not charred like the inside of a barrel. They're pretty much cooked. But we'll get 10 of these into the barrel on a ring like this with some spacers in between the staves, and then we'll refill the barrel with the Maker's Mark that we stored in metal tanks. We'll seal the barrel back up, and then those barrels will go on these ricks to your left and right all the way to the ceiling and stay about 9 additional weeks. Okay, so during that 9-week period, the whiskey in the barrel picks up some different aromas and flavors off of the French oak staves, and voila. 27 bottles by hand per minute per person. Last year we shipped over 2 million cases of Maker's Mark out of here. They have hundreds of different wood finishing stave types. They just archive them by number. So that one is stave profile number 46. I hate the real stories boring too, you know. I really wish I had something more exciting or sexy to tell you all about that, but that's the story. It's just a stave profile number. What y'all think of 46? Class number 4. The one you're about to try right now is 110.4 proof. And if you wanted to know the stave, 10 stave combination we used in the barrel for this one, we used 2 baked American pure staves, 4 seared French cuvee staves, then we used 1 Maker's 46 stave, we used 2 roasted French Mondillon staves, and to round out the 10, we used 1 toasted French spice stave. So, what do you all think of number 5? You kind of get those, it's almost like a caramel and cocoa, like a light chocolate, milk chocolate type of aroma on the nose.